The assignment for this lecture is to delete all records where the name is test. So let's start. For this assignment, I am going to use the same delete endpoint that we created previously, because this whole thing is going to remain the same. Only the MongoDB method to delete will change, and the way the data is passed is going to change. So we have to delete the record where the name is test. To achieve this, we will change this filter to request.body, where we have the property ID. So this way we can delete the records by any property that we want. Let me also remove the ID parameter from the endpoint. Let's save this. And from the postman in the delete API, I will pass the value in the request body that we want to delete. I am selecting body section, raw and JSON format, and in that I am going to pass curly brackets name : test. We don't need this ID in the URL now, so let's remove it. And now let's execute this. So here it says deleted count 0 because we don't have any record with this value. Let me quickly insert the records. I am going to use the create API we created earlier in this section. We have already saved this API in the postman collection, so I am going to select that and put some values in this. Let me change the name to test and copy paste this value a few times. Execute, and here we go. So we have 4 records inserted with the name test. Now let's again execute the delete API. Click on send, and now it says deleted count 1. But wait, we have inserted multiple records with the name test, so why only one record is deleted? That's because we have implemented the logic to delete only one record in the API, that is delete 1. To delete multiple records in the MongoDB, we have delete many method. So what we need to do here is change this delete 1 to delete many. Let's save this and once again execute this API. Now it says deleted count 3. We now have all the records deleted with a name test. This way we can delete multiple records from the database. In the next lecture, we will see get method to fetch records from the database.